This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renee Anderson. Better than new. Want an open floor plan west/a bright cheery feel when you walk inside? Want an inviting back patio where you can sit in privacy west/no neighbors behind you? This home truly has it all, from the rocking chair front porch to the open floor plan west/the split bedrooms, the large island in the kitchen, the walk-in pantry, custom cabinets west/soft close drawers, and the laundry room. So many upgrades on this home: higher grade of granite, tile shower in master, larger soaking tub, barn door in master, mud bench in hallway, extra concrete pad for grilling, raised outlets in all bedrooms for TVs, and a privacy fence. For more information, review the details below or contact Renee Anderson at 478-390-7690.